Hello friends. Today we're diving into a hot and intriguing topic. Which are the best oils for consumption? Before we start, make sure to watch this video till the end because we're going to share some very important and exciting information with you. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Olive oil. One of the most popular and healthiest oils is olive oil. Olive oil contains monounsaturated fats that can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and also has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. This oil is perfect for cooking at low to medium temperatures and for use in salads. Avocado oil. Similar to olive oil, avocado oil contains monounsaturated fats and has a high smoke point, making it ideal for high-temperature cooking. You can use it for frying, grilling, and in salads. Sesame oil. Sesame oil contains polyunsaturated fats and antioxidants like vitamin E. This oil is suitable for medium-temperature cooking, salads, and Asian dishes. Canola oil. This oil contains both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats and has the lowest saturated fat content compared to many other oils. Canola oil is great for high and low-temperature cooking, frying, and baking. Almond oil. Rich in vitamin E and monounsaturated fats, almond oil is ideal for low to medium temperature cooking, salads, and baking. Walnut oil. This oil contains polyunsaturated fats and omega-3 fatty acids, which are very beneficial for heart health. Walnut oil is perfect for salads and cold dishes and should be used at low temperatures. Flaxseed oil. Containing omega-3 fatty acids and powerful antioxidants, flaxseed oil should be used in salads and cold dishes and should not be heated. Recent scientific studies. According to recent studies, consuming oils rich in unsaturated fats in moderation can improve heart and vascular health. Research has shown that olive oil and avocado oil, due to their high antioxidant content and beneficial fats, can help reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that daily consumption of extra virgin olive oil can significantly reduce LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall cardiovascular health. Another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that avocado oil, due to its high vitamin E and monounsaturated fat content, can have positive effects on skin health and reduce inflammation. Final tips. When choosing and consuming oils, make sure to maintain variety and balance. Overconsumption of any type of oil can cause health issues. Additionally, always opt for high quality, preferably organic oils. Friends, if you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Until the next video, take care of yourselves and prioritize your health.